Hello, welcome to another episode of All American Lad, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this utility knife. And all you need is 2 popsicle sticks, a razor blade, some super glue, and a pair of pliers and a rubber band. And also you're going to need duct tape. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to cut the ends of the popsicle sticks to make them flat. So you can just do this with a knife or a razor blade. And then you're going to take your pair of pliers and just break it off. So then once you've got that, you can hold them together, and you're going to wrap some duct tape around the handle part to hold it together. You want to make sure it's really tight so it keeps it secure. And then you're going to put glue on the razor blade. Put it on both sides. Then you're going to slide it in between the gap. I'm going to hold it open. Just slide it in like that. And then you're going to take your pair of pliers and clamp it shut right in the center. And then you take your rubber band and you're just going to do that with it. Like that. And then you can also take some rubber bands and wrap them around right here and right here, but you really don't need to do that. And then you can take a knife and clean up this part right here if you want. It's not necessary though. And then you'll just let that dry. Thanks for watching All American Lad.